guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Sofia. Today we're back at Target.
This is not Target.
I mean Walmart.
She'll get it right someday. We're at Walmart.
Sometimes I do get it right. Not every
Oh, look at this TJ, Sophie.
Look,
These are cute. It's got one for your doll and one for you.
Yeah, cute, but
Let's see what else.
guys,
Oh,
look.
they have a unicorn one.
Guys, look, I'm getting older.
I got your hair bow today.
Yeah,
Let's see what's new. I haven't been to Walmart in a
Customer
while.
assistance is needed in your formula, please. Customer assistance is needed in your formula. Thank you.
Oh, look, they have more socks on clearance. What? $1.
Customer assistance is needed in cosmetics, please. Customer assistance is needed in
now we did,
cosmetics.
right? Right, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, this is really cheap.
Very.
Oh,
Alright, let me see what they have. Okay, I don't know where Sophia's taking me. Where are you taking me?
in the back side somewhere.
Oh, these are nice. I like that pink one.
Look, they got pink one.
And they're only $8.88.
Ooh, this is very soft color. It's kind of soft. Not really. Guys, look, I found this. I told you I got a pink one. Right?
This is super cute. It's got a little pillow. I mean, a little
Oh,
blanket.
yeah.
They have different characters. They have a cat, unicorn. They have a mermaid. It looks like a mermaid. Oh, this one's cute. Oops. So Target is starting to set up their Christmas.
Guys, guess what? We already passed December.
Next month. No, we're still in
Men's
October.
department, you have a call holding on line 3,
Yeah,
please.
there's so much
Men's
December.
department, you have a call
We
holding
passed
on line 3.
December.
Thank you.
You want to go look at the Christmas trees out there?
Yeah.
Look at these pretty pillows. These are pretty for $5. These are nice. So nice. We love Christmas. Come, let us adore him. Yes. Look at this pretty tree skirt. Love it. Peace. It's here. Stockings. Somebody playing on the floor.
Somebody's cleaning the floor.
Mm-hmm. Look at the ornaments here.
Look how
Oh, they
cute
have
this
the
is.
bridge.
Look how cute
There's
these
the
are.
bridge.
Yeah.
They have the
Look,
French
look,
stocking,
guys.
the hat.
Guys, look.
Oh yeah, it makes music. Be careful, baby. Oh, and then you can wear this. Oh, this is cool. Ah, it's cute. also have Rudolph.
Guys, look at this. You see this? Look, I turned it on.
Yeah, be careful though. We don't want it to fall. Oh, look at this. The collectible figures. That's cute.
Can I get it?
Huh?
Can I get it?
What?
The collectible characters?
I don't know.
No?
So yeah, they're starting to set it up. We'll come back when it's like fully stocked. Some of the shelves are still empty. They're starting to set up the gift sets. There's an LOL one. So cute. There's some nail stickers. Sophia, look, isn't this what you wanted?
Yeah.
These are pretty. That's sweet. This is nice. I like that. What else do they have? That's cute. These are interesting. These are nice. Oh, they have a burgundy one. This is black. That looks great, but it's not. There's this one. That one's pretty. Some jeans. These are pretty. These come with a face mask. There's this one. So I'm gonna be doing a quick Walmart haul, so you guys can go to your local Walmart. Okay, so it's basically a bunch of socks that I found. I got these. $2. And it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, an 8-pack. And these are a little bit bigger, so those are going to be for me. Yes, I like princess socks. And then here's this other pack. I got one for Sophia, one for me, actually 2 for me. Stocking up in socks, and these are all $1 or $1 each. Got this other one for Sophia, and this one was $1. I got this other one, and this one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pack for $1. I got another one for Sophia. So Sophia got 2, I got 2. I got 2 of these. And then I got these, Fruit of the Loom. This is a 10-pack. This was $3, but it's worth it. And then I got these ones too for $2. And this is a big pack too. 6-pack. And I got a hand sanitizer. This one was $1, also on markdown. And then this wasn't on markdown, but this is the mason jar lids. They're the plastic ones because the other ones get rusty. So yeah, I'm stocked in socks. So go to your local Walmart. They had a lot of stuff on clearance. But socks, you can never go wrong with socks. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Give it a like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.